course, a lot of people trying to get to where they want to get to via plane. Not happening. More than 500 flights canceled out of Logan today.
Yeah, this storm really affecting so many parts of the country. We want to go to Ed Freni with Massport right now. And we know so many flights had to be canceled in the last 24 hours. What are we looking at moving forward over the next 12?
Well, good morning, Paula and Chris. Well, it's slow. It will be slow for a while. Fortunately, there's not a lot of airplanes on the ground here at Logan, so it gives us the opportunity to clean up the snow. We've been ready for this, and we've done a great job keeping runways open. And we will be ready when the airlines get their airplanes back in sync sometime this afternoon, we expect.
And for anyone that has to head out, obviously check their flight details, Ed. Any other nuggets of wisdom you can pass along?
Yeah, Chris, that's really important that people, if they have not been notified by their airline, to check with their airline, to check the status of their flight. As you said, about half our schedule has been canceled already. We expect probably more cancellations, but the airport is safe. It's ready to go, and we'll be ready when the airlines start to get their schedules together.
Yeah, and your crews are there, we're sure, getting those runways cleared. That's so much work.
Tireless.
And to keep it safe at Logan Airport. Ed Freni from Massport, we really appreciate your time this morning. We know how busy you are.
All right.
Thank you, guys.
You got it, Ed.
Stay safe.